Is this the best breakfast made on a Blackstone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Maybe.
Maybe.
We haven't had it
I don't
yet.
know. We shall see. But speaking of seeing,
Yeah.
welcome to the show.
Hey, good
My
to be
name is
here.
CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Right over there's Nate.
Hey.
Right over there's Ethan. Our new compadre, Andy.
What's up?
What's up? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a pretty legendary breakfast sandwich on the Blackstone. The best, time will tell. Do yourself a favor though. Grab a cup.
It's so arbitrary to see the best.
Grab a cup. Every time the bell rings, we take a sip. See you on the inside.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first
You ready?
Hey, let's start with the bacon. How about we start that? With the perfect sandwich, we're gonna do bacon. But
I like how you keep saying it. Like the more you say perfect, the more it's gonna make it true.
What side are you on?
But today, I'm gonna take you on a bacon journey
What?
that you may have never been on before.
Dangerous business walking out your front door. The Hobbit.
I've actually never seen all the Hobbits.
It's Lord of the Rings, but it was a Hobbit who said it.
Then I missed that one.
Le who? The her.
Remember what Bilbo used to say? It's a dangerous business, Frodo, going out your door.
Definitely don't crank your heat on bacon. If this is your first time and you're like, I've never cooked bacon on a Blackstone. Tone it down, guys.
Are you more manifesting?
Tone it down. Tone it down. Yeah, a little more
Okay.
manifestation.
Fine.
Hey, but speaking of maybe watching for the first time, we're officially gonna ring in the new crew. It is that time.
Yeah, boy.
Let's ring in the new crew. So here we go. I've got, Dr. WKU.
Hey, Dr. Deb.
What up, Dr. W? Dr. Deb. We got Richard Allen 5408. I've also got Jimmy Martin 912.
Hey, Jimmy.
Jimmy.
It's all good, man.
Ernest.
Sure.
Ernesto.
Ernest P. Worrell?
No, Ernesto Castillo.
Oh, buenos dias.
What's up, amigos? Welcome
Welcome.
to the hood. So glad that you found us. If you're new subscriber, or maybe you're watching to become a subscriber, let me know in the comments down below that this is your first time viewing, and you will get a mention on the coveted ringing in the
Coveted.
crew.
Coveted.
I think it is.
Sure.
Once your bacon gets to your preferred doneness,
Like
now
an 8 out of 10?
for Andy, he likes to keep it a little on the flimsy side, and
Weird.
I am fine with that. I'm 100%.
Kind of
Like
thick
four,
and
5.
twisted.
I know, but in this case, we're getting it to this perfect doneness, I suppose. Just slide it off to your cool side of the griddle and get some brown sugar. That's right, we are candying. We're gonna
Candying.
candy some bacon. Brown sugar is going to be
it's gonna make sure the
a
bacon's
flavor
fat.
rock star with this.
Dang.
So we're gonna slide that off to the side, get some brown sugar, and then flip it, and then add some more brown sugar. Let the caramelization, the candiness start to take
Candiness.
place. I
It's
mean,
Monsieur Candy.
Monsieur? Monster candy? Now, while our bacon is candying, it's in Candyland. Huh?
Candy Lane.
Yeah?
A game for people 4 to 8 from Milton Bradley.
You know, I was thinking about doing this in an egg ring, but I don't think I'm going to.
You're just gonna make a...
I'm gonna just, what?
Nothing, I'm listening.
What?
I'm here for you.
No, you're not.
I just didn't know what you're doing.
I feel like somehow you're setting me up because
I'm
you've
not.
done it before.
No.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be using some of this bacon.
Such negativity.
Not negativity, I've just got a little bit of, what's that?
Pork on pork here.
Ew. Yes.
I
am
certainly smell a
pork
pork
product
product
of
of
some
some
type.
type.
Bacon, pig, oink oink, police officer.
Definitely doing a pork on pork. This is, you're gonna see, dude. This is like the ultimate sandwich. That's all I'm gonna say.
Okay.
Now with your sausage balls, let's make them a little bigger because they will. We're gonna kind of go smash burger style.
I was thinking that's a big sausage ball, like
It's
a smash
gonna,
burger.
it's gonna retract, shrink.
What do you mean, like laundry?
Definite shrinkage. Now, fun hack for this. We're gonna implement the Frazier Technique
The Frazier
2000.
flip.
The Frazier Technique 2000. Give it a second to cook on one side.
Okay.
Then, here, let's get this guy. Then we're going to smash, and you don't have to worry
And what
about.
does that do, Johnny?
Don't have to worry about sticking.
Ah.
What
That's all
was
I
that?
got. I don't know. I turned into the count from Sesame Street.
One.
2, 3,
4.
All right, dude. Now,
Let's go to Tom Cruise.
we're off to the races while it cruises.
May I see your pass, please?
That's gonna need a few minutes. Once we get it to the preferred doneness, flip it. You definitely want to
Well done.
well done on your
Sausage.
sausage. Flip it a couple times. We'll pull it off to drain. Let's start working on some eggs here in just a second. Just like I predicted, we had a little recession of the sausage. This is perfect. This is what we wanted. This is what we were anticipating.
Perfect size of your English muffin.
Exactly. I've also got our bacon, gonna give those a flip. We probably are gonna do 1 or 2 more flips because we want to get that real gooey candy.
Do a kick flip.
We're gonna use our egg rings because they work out so well.
So
to make
uniform.
So uniform. Time for a pro move.
What?
We could just be using the bacon fat, which we are. Could
That's
use
a pro
olive
move.
oil, which we could. I'm gonna add a burst
Oh,
of flavor
shut your mouth.
with some
Shut
sun-dried.
your mouth when you're talking to me.
Okay. Gonna do just a little bit of
Oh, yeah.
oil in here. Whoa,
Wow.
a lot of oil. Hey, quiet, you.
Quiet, you.
Huevos.
Huevos. Let's see if I can do the old one-handed trick.
Of course you can.
Of course I can.
Listen, don't worry about me. Just worry about that dog on my seats.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
No, uno.
Oh.
Uno mano.
Uno. Dos.
Isn't mono hand?
There we
Wow.
are. Look at that. No
Dang.
shells. You know what?
No worries.
No. For the
Not
rest
a
of your
thing.
It's
It's our problem free.
Philosophy.
All right, I guess that's what we're going.
Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata.
Were you
Now,
that, like,
obviously-
were you that 8-year-old kid where like you're getting in a fight at school or like your friends are and you're like, guys, Hakuna Matata.
What a wonderful phrase.
Sick reference, though.
Got my English muffins, and you have
All
to
the nooks and crannies.
all the nooks and crannies of an English muffin.
Marmalade.
I felt like that was like a song. All the nooks and crannies of an English muffin, but it's not.
it is now.
It felt
How
like
does
it
go
could
again?
be all the
Oh,
little crannies of an English muffin.
I missed it.
Like from Only Murders in the Building. Feels like. Yeah. Know what I'm talking about.
Okay, whatever, man. You say so, bro.
Okay, let's get these guys,
Look at these nooks and crannies cruising.
nooks and crannies, a cruising. Gonna, I felt the need to flip.
I saw it.
I saw that.
Dude, man, you're just like.
Oh,
lost in
you know
the
what?
zone. Whoa. Again? All right. For those who have never used sun-dried tomato oil, it's pretty stunning.
It is fantastic.
Surprisingly flavorful.
Really, really
I wish
great.
I hadn't thought of it on a recipe I did recently.
You did not.
No, I forgot it.
Oh.
I wanted to.
I was like, dude, you did not. I did not hijack this from you.
You sure about that?
Are you sure,
You
about that?
You sure about that? You sure about that's not why?
This is.
What do you do with the eggs?
Well, what?
There's 3, but there's only 2.
Oh yeah, you're right. This is just. That's
Bonus muffin.
bonus muffin. Thank you. Oh, if you didn't know. Oh.
Oh.
It's like blinking in and out. We're on the air.
Mostly.
Mostly dead.
Please open his mouth.
Putting this perfect breakfast sandwich together could not be
Any
more
more perfect?
simple and perfect. That's right. We've got some holy guacamole. Now I'm gonna give this a little pro move. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of lemon juice on there. Gonna splash it with some acidity to go along with that creamy nature of that. Also, sausage. Cut up some of our candy bacon. Do the little crisscross because it
Applesauce?
makes you want to jump.
Oh.
Yeah.
Daddy Mac will make you? Daddy Mac will make you?
Jump apparently. And then our perfect eggs. I don't love a runny yolk, so we're definitely gonna do what's the term? Over
Not
easy?
runny?
Not.
Over hard.
And then top it with a little bit of heat. We've got some Texas Pete hot sauce.
Texas Pete with the heat
Exactly.
on the street.
I was gonna say street, but
I said it
don't
first.
get beat by the meat. Anyway, this is the perfect breakfast sandwich. Again, It's up for debate. We're gonna figure this out.
It is up for debate?
If it's the perfect breakfast on the Blackstone.
I mean, it's kind of
awesome. So let's slide this guy right over there.
Okay.
And you know what? Let's cut this, dude,
All
so
right.
we can see what all we got going on here. Dude, we've got a creamy nature. Oh gosh, I just gotta hold on. Now I gotta go.
Commit.
Commit. All right.
Yeah, the egg would have been nicer if it was all sexy and drippy.
Dude, why you gotta say that? Because it's
I
not
like
true.
Could have made one perfect and then one like this.
What?
And then one for me?
I made one for you.
I'm sorry. Well, sorry doesn't put the Triscuit crackers in my stomach, now does it, Carl?
Let's just try this already. Oh, dude, because I cut this. I got my
You gotta
guac.
hold the layers. Let me see the layers. Oh, the layers. Come on now.
I got guac. It's a standing moment.
When you stand, you make me want to stand.
Okay.
Oh.
That zesty, creamy avocado.
Where's that?
Sweetness from the bacon. Touch of heat from the Texas Pete to go along with that sun-dried tomato.
And that meat.
Fried egg.
And that meat.
And the meat. It's official. That's the best breakfast sandwich I've ever had.
Is it enough to go sandwich with 2 M's?
No. Never. But let me know down in the comments. Do you say sandwich or sandwich? If you say sandwich,
Yeah, it's fun to say.
I'm gonna harass you because
I told you why.
It's the worst.
It's a great memory.
It's a dumb memory.
Lazy sandwiches.
Your memories are dumb. But we are now at that point where we get to play
Legendary
around
point.
with comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome to the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers, because if you guys write it,
We read it.
that is exactly right, and then we get to have ourselves a good little
A
chuckle.
good old time.
A good little chuckle. Maybe you feel good about ourselves, or maybe you want to cry yourselves to sleep, like I'm about to read with
Oh,
this
no,
first
the
one.
first one's a good one?
This is from Chad Haney, 8164.
Chad.
I am so tired of all the movie clips. As a Blackstone owner of multiple different sizes of Blackstone Griddles, I subscribe to watch cooking videos and not movie clips. Much more of these junk of videos like this, and I will unsubscribe. How hard is it to make a cooking video instead of a
Jeez,
movie clip
long-winded,
video?
too.
Hussey, Todd Tobin, and Betty make awesome cooking videos. I'm not one to complain
He didn't mention
about
me in
content, but when a video seem almost 50%
Dang,
movie
how long
clips
is this?
and or movie content, and creators of the video need to do some cooking, not drinking, and movie clips. That was horrible grammar.
Wow.
Awful sentence structure.
Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it.
Chad, dude, number one.
It feels like you are one to complain.
like you are definitely
I'm not one to
complain or
You
anything,
sure
but
about
I'm.
that?
Are you sure about that?
You sure about that?
Chad, sorry, nah, dude. This is
this
my
a reverse
cooking
bell?
show. Oh yeah.
Give a reverse.
That's reverse. Take that, Chad. There's
Chad.
more where that came from. Okay, we're jumping back into the same pond. Jane Jones 7675 says.
Joan Jett? Hit
Benny
me with your
and
best
the Jet.
shot.
She will, right here.
Here we go.
Quit screwing around and cook something. Learn from Hussey and Blackstone Betty. For God's sakes, does anyone really like this format?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah. Reverse bell for you. Take that, Joan Jett. Or Jane Jones. This comes from, coincidentally, @2bullies.
Oh, no.
Hosts are annoying AF. I'm just here for the recipes, but couldn't stand to watch the full video.
Huh.
Are you related to O'Doyle?
Doyle rules.
Apparently so. Reverse bell.
Doyle rules.
Doyle rules.
Doyle rules.
Doyle, I gotta fill in your whole family's content. Brian Mowers decided to change things up.
Hey, Brian.
CJ makes me happy.
Oh, hey, Brian.
Brian, you make me happy. Let's
Yeah,
give
me
that
too.
boy a legitimate bell.
Solid bell.
Ooh, how's that feel? Felt good.
Comfy.
Cozy.
Like a warm mask on Halloween.
Speaking of Halloween, hey CJ, did you know? Did you know that John Carpenter, the director of Halloween, he does all of his music for all of his movies? It took him only 3 days to do all of the music for the first Halloween.
Isn't it?
Did not.
Dun,
know
dun, 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 dun.
Isn't that like, isn't that it?
Well, no.
How long did it
watch
take?
Have you not seen the
3
movie?
days, we just did it in
We
3
just like-
seconds.
Rim shot. Rim shot. Here, boy. Rim shot. Rim shot.
Okay, quality, did you know?
John Carpenter.
Thank you, good sir.
Whose little known fact is Karen Carpenter's brother.
Okay, this one is from Mike Maz, or I would say Maze, but it's M-A-Z-Z.
Maze.
Principal Mazer.
What's up, bro?
Mike says, I can't wait to try this one. Great show. CJ and his quotes make the show. Nate is just okay.
Oh, well.
Huh? Ethan is on point with the camera work, and the new guy, well, just keep trying to fit in.
That's pretty good.
Okay, that was quality.
Thanks, Mike.
Yes, we all appreciate it.
Kind of.
All right, this last one is somewhat of a doozy. This is from, I'm guessing it's Flash Man 84, but it's...
Savior of the universe.
Thank you.
Flash
Savior of the universe.
says, I will never buy a Blackstone due to CJ.
Oh, man. Wow. Flash, 100-yard dash.
Nice to see you, too.
Wow. Sorry?
Yeah, you're missing out on a great product, even though CJ sucks. The Blackstone doesn't. I mean, that's not what I meant.
What'd you do?
Savior of the
Well, I guess that's how we have to wrap it up, because we are officially going off air now. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com. Also go to griddlenation.com. You can find some fun swag, some fun shirts and stickers and whatnot. If you want something on the OG board over here with Senior Griddle, slide up into my DMs. I'll give you an address. Put something cool up there. We're almost out of room and about to start the next iteration of
board?
OG boards. That's
They
right.
might have to just fill that whole...
Yeah, I think that's going to be the case.
Yeah.
But this is definitely CJ's first cooking show.
It is.
It says it on the sign.
Yep, obviously.
And we cook.
And quote.
And we quote. Precisely. Hope you guys join us on the next episode. I'm looking for my cup. Actually, I don't know if we're going to be able to fix the sign. We're off air.
Yep. That's it. That's
Bye.
how the
And that's the way the cookie crumbles. I'm Bruce Nolan, Eyewitness News. And cut it.